Welcome everyone, today we're drawing a cute cartoon snowman. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page and draw two circles for the eyes. Now let's start with the one on the left, starting from the very top, come all the way around towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Now I want to leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So let's line up the top, bring that down towards the same height, and then back up. On the top left side of each eye, we're going to bring a circle coming in and out for a highlight. And line it up on the right. Now add a smaller circle on the bottom right side. Let's fill the inside of the eyes in black. Now let's move in between the eyes and draw in the nose. We're going to start right in the middle with a half circle going out towards the left, and then back in towards the bottom. Go up to the top, just going to bend the carrot, going out and then down towards the right. Come down to the bottom, go out and then up. Let's add two curves inside the nose. Starting from the top, come around and then out, move over and draw that again. Now underneath, we're going to shift the mouth over towards the left side. Starting up here, curve the mouth coming down and in towards the middle. Add a small bracket on the end. Let's move down and draw the bottom edge of the head. Starting all the way over on the left side, curve this down underneath the mouth, go across and then up. Let's go back to the left side and curve the head, going out, up, and then in. Let's do the same thing on the right, going around, and bring that in towards the same height. Let's flatten off the top of the head. We're going to add a curve on the ends, going around and then in. Let's close off the top with another straight line. And we'll move in, draw two straight lines going up toward the top of the hat. Flatten this off. And then along the bottom, we'll draw one more line. Now let's move to the center and draw the scarf coming down. So start with a straight line coming down towards the bottom. Go across. And then straight up towards the head. Let's go to the bottom corners of the head, curve the scarf, coming around and then in. And it'll follow that same curve across the bottom. I'm just going to tuck this in on the left, continue up on the right. Let's go to the bottom corners of the scarf, just going to curve the body, going out and then in. Let's close out the bottom with a curve. Let's add two buttons in the center of the body, one across the top, and one along the bottom, and we'll fill those buttons in black. Let's move up to the top of the body and add in the arms. We're going to start on the left, bend this out and then up, line it up on the right side. Let's round out the tip, follow that curve coming in. We're just going to add a bump, going out and back in. Let's continue that curve in towards the side of the body. Let's add some thick stripes across the scarf, starting on the left with one straight line. Step in, draw another one. Let's add one on the right. Then one across the center. Now let's sign out art and add a splash of color. And there's our cute cartoon drawing of a snowman. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.